Hello, this is Sanya Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Weeks after Prime Minister Narendra Modi accused the previous government led by Manmohan Singh of claiming that Muslims have the first right to wealth, Manmohan Singh responded by saying he had never treated one community differently from another. In a letter to the people of India ahead of the final phase of Lok Sabha elections, Manmohan Singh said on Thursday, and I quote, "I have been closely following the political discussions during this election campaign. Modi ji has made hateful and divisive speeches. He is the first Prime Minister to lower the dignity of the office with such behavior. No previous Prime Minister has used such offensive and inappropriate language to target a particular group or the opposition. He has also made false statements about me. I have never in my life treated one community differently from another. This is a characteristic of the BJP." Appealing for peace and harmony, the former Prime Minister added, "I urge every voter in Punjab to choose development and collective progress. I ask all young people to vote wisely and for the future. Only Congress can ensure a development-focused, progressive future where democracy and the constitution are safeguarded." Last month, while campaigning in Rajasthan, Prime Minister Modi said, and I quote, "The Congress manifesto states they will assess the gold owned by mothers and daughters and redistribute it." Manmohan Singh's government had said Muslims have the first right to the wealth. Brothers and sisters, this urban Naxal mindset will not even spare the Mangal Sutras of my mothers and sisters. At a National Development Council meeting in December 2006, Singh emphasized the need for careful use of resources. He said, "I believe our priorities are clear: agriculture, irrigation and water resources, health, education, critical rural infrastructural investments and essential public investments in general infrastructure, along with programs for the upliftment of SCs and STs, other backward classes, minorities and women and children. The plans for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes need to be revitalized. We must create innovative plans to ensure that minorities, particularly the Muslim minority, can equally benefit from development. They must have the first claim on resources." The next day, the PMO clarified that Singh's reference to first claim on resources included all the priority areas, including programs for the upliftment of SCs, STs, OBCs, women, children and minorities. Well, that's all for this show of Mood Tiranga today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 PM onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 AM onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.